Hello everyone! Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
And I'm Rachel. Hi everyone! We are so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, so happy. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow and make more episodes for you.
That's right, and give us a like, a big thumbs up. Share this with your friends who are also learning.
Today, we have a very important topic. It is a little serious, but it is very helpful.
Oh, what is it, Charles? Is it a secret?
Not a secret, but a question many students ask. The topic is why your English isn't improving.
Ooh, that is a hard one. I hear that a lot. Rachel, I study every day, but I don't feel better at English.
I know that feeling. It is frustrating. You work hard, but you feel like you are standing still.
Well, today we are going to find out why. We have 10 reasons and we have 10 solutions.
Exactly. Let's start with number 1. Rachel, do you know people who study for hours and hours?
Yes, they have big books, they watch many lessons, they have many notes.
That is the problem. They are studying too much, but they are not using English.
Wait, how can you study too much?
Well, it is about passive versus active. If you only watch videos and read books, your brain is just receiving information.
Ah, I see. It's like watching a person cook a cake on TV, but never going into the kitchen to bake one.
That is a perfect example. You know the recipe, but you don't have a cake. To improve, you must use it. You must speak or write every day.
So, if I learn 5 new words, I should try to say them in a sentence?
Yes, speak them to your cat. Write them in a diary or send a message to a friend. Production is the key.
That makes sense. I often just consume movies, but I don't produce any English after. I need to change that.
That leads us to reason number 2, the fear of making mistakes.
Oh, this is the big one. I am so afraid of sounding silly.
Everyone is, Rachel. It's like a cold wall in front of you. You want to speak, but you are afraid the grammar is wrong.
But isn't it bad to make mistakes?
No, mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are the only way to learn. If you don't make mistakes, you are not trying anything new.
So, if I say, I go to the store yesterday, it's okay?
It's more than okay. I understood you. We are communicating. That is the goal.
I feel better now. I focus so much on being perfect that I just stay quiet.
And that is reason number 3. You are focused on perfection, not communication.
What is the difference?
Perfection is having no mistakes. Communication is sharing an idea. Native speakers make mistakes too, Rachel.
Really?
All the time. But we don't stop talking to check a grammar book. We just keep going. If the other person understands, you win.
I love that. If they understand, you win. I will remember that next time I'm nervous at a cafe.
Now, reason number 4 is about time, consistency.
I know. I study for 3 hours on Sunday and then nothing until next Sunday. Is that bad? 3 hours is a lot of time.
It is a lot, but your brain still forgets things without repetition. English is like a plant. It needs a little water every day, not a bucket of water once a week.
A little water every day. I like that. So 10 minutes every day is better than 3 hours on Sunday?
Much better. Your brain needs to see English often to know it is important. It builds a habit.
That is like our brain training episode. Small steps every day to build the highway.
Exactly. And that leads us to reason number 5, real English.
Real English? You mean textbooks are fake?
Not fake, but controlled. Textbooks are like a zoo. The animals are there, but they are quiet. Real English is like the jungle.
The jungle. People speak fast. They use slang. They have different accents.
Yes, if you only use textbooks, you will be shocked when you hear a real person. You need to immerse yourself.
So I should watch YouTube or listen to this podcast?
Yes, find things you enjoy. If you like cooking, watch cooking videos in English. If you like cars, read about cars. Use real-world content.
It makes it more fun, too. It doesn't feel like homework if I am watching a movie I love.
Right. But when you watch that movie, you need reason number 6, active recall.
Active recall? That sounds like a robot word.
It just means remembering on purpose. Passive learning is just looking. Active recall is closing the book and asking, what did I just learn?
Oh, so after a podcast, I should stop and try to remember 3 new things.
Yes. Don't just move to the next video. Stop, think, what did Charles say about mistakes? When you pull the information out of your brain, it stays there forever.
That is a great tip. I usually just finish a video and go to sleep.
No, spend 1 minute thinking about it. That 1 minute is more important than 20 minutes of watching.
Okay, I'm taking notes. What is reason number 7?
This one is about the bridge in your head. You are not thinking in English.
Ah, yes, the translation bridge. I hear English, I translate it to my language, I think of an answer, and I translate it back.
It's so slow, right? It makes you feel tired.
Very tired. And by the time I have the answer, the conversation has moved on.
We need to break that bridge. Like we said before, start with small thoughts. I am hungry. The sun is hot.
I've been trying that, Charles. This morning I saw my coffee and I thought, this coffee is very hot. I didn't translate.
That is it. That is a victory. The more you do that, the faster the English highway becomes.
And what about reason number 8?
This one is very practical. You don't have a clear speaking routine.
A routine? Like brushing my teeth?
Exactly. You need a time every day where you must speak, even if you are alone.
I talk to my cat in the morning. Is that a routine?
It is. Hello, Mittens. It is 7 a.m. I am making breakfast. That is a speaking routine. If you don't have one, you will never feel ready to speak to a person.
So I should plan my speaking time. Maybe 5 minutes while I drive or 5 minutes in the shower?
Yes, your mouth muscles need the exercise. It's a mouth gym, Rachel.
I'm going to the mouth gym today.
Good. Now, reason number 9 is similar to the first one. You are consuming, but not producing.
Is that the same as studying too much?
It's a bit different. Consuming is listening and reading. Producing is speaking and writing. Most students do 90% consuming and 10% producing.
That is me. I listen to podcasts all day, but I don't write anything.
We need to balance it, 50-50. If you listen for 10 minutes, try to speak or write for 10 minutes.
That sounds hard, but I see why it works. It completes the cycle.
It does. It makes the English yours. You don't just know the word, you own the word.
I own the word. I like that feeling.
And finally, reason number 10, unrealistic expectations about speed. Everyone wants to be fluent in 1 month. The internet says, learn English in 7 days.
Is that possible, Charles?
No, it is not. Learning a language is a marathon, not a 100-meter sprint.
Sometimes I feel sad because I still make mistakes after a year.
Don't be sad, Rachel. Look back. A year ago, could you talk about active recall or brain highways?
No, a year ago I could only say hello and my name is Rachel.
See, you are improving. But improvement is slow. It's like a tree growing. You don't see it move, but one day it is tall.
That is a very beautiful thought. I need to be patient with myself.
Yes, be kind to yourself. If you are frustrated, it means you care. And if you care, you will succeed.
Wow, we covered a lot. Let's do a quick review for our listeners.
Good idea. Reason 1, use it. Don't just study it.
Reason 2, don't fear mistakes. They are your friends.
Reason 3, focus on communication, not being perfect.
Reason 4, be consistent. 10 minutes every day.
Reason 5, use real English, like movies and podcasts.
Reason 6, use active recall. Think about what you learned.
Reason 7, think in English. No more translation bridges.
Reason 8, create a speaking routine. Talk to your cat or the mirror.
Reason 9, balance consuming and producing. Speak as much as you listen.
Reason 10, be patient. You are growing every day.
That is a great list. If you do these things, I promise you will see your English improve.
I feel so much more motivated now. It's not that I'm bad at English. I just need to change my habits.
Exactly. You have the power to change. Every day is a new chance to build that highway.
Thank you, Charles. This was a wonderful talk.
I enjoyed it too. And to our listeners, we believe in you.
Yes, we do. Please tell us in the comments, which of these 10 reasons is your biggest problem?
Is it the fear of mistakes? Or maybe you don't have a routine? Let us know. We love to help.
And remember, don't give up. You are doing a great job just by being here and listening.
That's right. Every minute you listen is a step forward.
Well, that is all for today. Thank you for joining us on English on the Way.
Subscribe, like, and share. We will see you in the next episode.
Keep learning and remember, you can do it.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.